everybody! My name is May. We're continuing on our plastic-free mission and journey, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own face scrub. Although microbeads have been banned from most cosmetics, there's still quite a lot of loopholes that manufacturers can use, finding ways around the definition of a microbead, and only 6 countries in the world have actually truly banned microbeads. So to avoid all of that confusion altogether, I'm going to show you how to make your own face scrub from stuff that you will find in your house. It is super easy, and that way you can make as and when you need your own face scrub to keep your face nice and smooth and healthy. Let's get started. The things that you will need to make your own face scrub are coffee granules. So this was from our morning coffee this morning. Then what you have to have is some honey, and it's basically like skin food. And then just to top it off, we're going to use some olive oil too. So we have our coffee granules, however much you want. Pop it into a bowl, just like that. Easy job. Next is the honey, and I used to use like proper proportions, but now I make it up as I go along. So basically I use enough honey to kind of just cover all the coffee that I'm using. So just cover your coffee with honey. And then, last but not least, the olive oil. Just drizzle the olive oil in. Not too much, you don't want it too runny, but again, just kind of enough to add to it. Mix it around, and I'm not even joking, there you go. Doesn't look amazing, but trust me, the results will blow your mind. And guess what? That is it. What you can do is just like then keep this, either put it in your fridge or use some beeswax wraps around the bowl that you've made it in, and it'll probably keep for around 2 weeks maximum. But you can also just make it as and when you need it, so just a small amount of coffee, cover it with honey, a bit of olive oil, wabam, shmam, Bob's your uncle, you've made your own face scrub. But now you just gotta use it. So this one actually, I think I've maybe put a bit too much olive oil in it because it's pretty runny. You want it to be a bit thicker than that, but it still works a treat even if it is a bit too runny. Get some in your hands and then just scrub away. Scrub around all those areas you normally get blackheads or dry skin. I get quite a lot of blackheads on my chin. And the coffee granules are really good abrasive substance to scrub away all that nastiness we don't want. Don't do it too often because it is quite rough. And I kind of do this for around a minute or 2. When you've scrubbed as much as you want to scrub, leave it for around 2 to 5 minutes, because now you've opened up all your pores with the coffee. With all the coffee, you want to let all of the nutrients from the honey and the olive oil soak into your skin. I personally love this recipe because it is so simple. You just saw, it's 3 ingredients, it takes less than a minute to make. Obviously though, kind of take it as it comes. Your skin might be very different from mine, so alter the ratios as you like it. Then when you've let all the nutrients soak into your skin, wash it off. It's a little bit messy, but hashtag worth it. So nice warm water to wash off the scrub. And then dry off your face. And once you've dabbed off your face with a towel, leave it. I know your skin will feel like a little bit oily because you've just put some olive oil on your face, but that's gonna be like your natural moisturizer, and leave it for your face to just keep on soaking it in. So don't add any other extra moisturizer on, maybe a little bit later if you find that your skin has gone dry, but I don't. I just leave it as it is now and just enjoy all of the benefits from it. Coffee, honey, and some olive oil, mix it in a bowl, pop it on your face, scrub away, leave, wash, leave. That is it. I hope that I have shown you a really cool recipe, and I hope it converts you to move away from buying face scrub to making your own.